Hey, brainiac wannabes! Ever feel like the universe handed out intelligence like free samples at Costco, but you somehow missed that aisle? Don't worry. Today, we're not just aiming for smart. We're shooting for genius level, minus the 12 years of school, the sleepless nights, and the lifetime supply of caffeine. People love to say that becoming smart takes years of study, expensive degrees, and a pinch of magic. But guess what? That's about as true as saying you need a $500 gym membership to do push-ups. If you've got the will, I've got the way. A shortcut to outsmarting everyone in the room, even if you're just trying to fake it till you make it. Step 1. Belief and confidence. First things first, you gotta believe you can do it. Yeah, I know. I sound like a motivational speaker who's about to sell you a $99 mindset mastery course. But trust me on this. Confidence is your secret sauce. If you walk into a room thinking you're the dumbest person there, guess what? You'll prove yourself right every time. But with a little delusional confidence, you'll start learning faster because you're not holding yourself back. So, say it with me. I am a genius. Now go out there and prove it, even if you have to fake it for a while. Fake confidence is better than none, and who knows? It might just become real. Step 2. Read, but read smart. Reading is fundamental, they say. But it's not just about picking up any old book. The key to being smart isn't reading more, it's reading smart. Don't just memorize facts. Instead, pick up a book and immediately apply what you've learned. Want to learn how to take photos like a pro? Read a book about it, then go take photos. Practicing what you learn cements that knowledge in your brain like concrete. Usually these books cost money, but if your finger slips, you might accidentally end up on this website, and you might accidentally search for the title of the book, and by chance, click on the first link, and oh no, accidentally downloaded a file and opened it with the appropriate ebook viewer. Well, now that you have the book, you'll also find that not only can you pick out interesting tidbits to use in conversations, but you can also learn many useful skills. But hey, don't stop at nonfiction. Fiction can teach you to read faster, improve your vocabulary, and maybe even help you pick up some social skills. You know, so you don't sound like a robot when you drop those big words in a conversation. Step 3. TED, Trial, Error, Document. Now let's talk about the TED method. No, not the talks where geniuses tell you how they're saving the world. I'm talking about trial, error, document. This method is like leveling up in a video game. You dive into a skill, trial, mess up a few times, error, then note where you messed up so you can do better next time, document, rinse and repeat, and soon you'll be at expert level. Remember, the key is to jump in and start trying things out. Watch a video, then practice it immediately. Did you mess up? Great. That's part of the process. Take notes on where you struggled, and the next time you practice, you'll know exactly where to focus. Step 4. Practice makes permanent. You've heard the saying, practice makes perfect, right? Well, it's a lie. Practice doesn't make perfect. It makes permanent. So whatever you practice regularly becomes ingrained in your brain. If you're practicing wrong, guess what? You'll permanently suck at that skill. So make sure you're practicing the right way, and if you're not sure, go back to the TED method. So there you have it, folks. Becoming smart isn't about having the highest IQ or getting into the best school. It's about believing in yourself, reading and applying what you learn, practicing with purpose, and constantly refining your skills. You don't need a degree to be smart, just a little bit of curiosity, a lot of practice, and maybe a good book or two. Remember, if you ever get stuck, the internet is your best friend, and maybe a few accidental downloads. Now go out there and start getting smarter, one small step at a time. And there you have it. Becoming smarter is a piece of cake. If you enjoyed this, hit that like button. Want to make leveling up your life even easier? Smash that subscribe button for more simple tips served with a side of humor. Oh, and let us know in the comments what skill you're about to master next. Let's make this brain boost a team effort.